Hi everybody, it's Molly at So-and-so's place. Well, I had a crowd in here this morning because we were busy cutting kits, but they had to get home before the rain hit. And let me tell you, it is pouring down rain here in Dayton. If y'all hear thunder and lightning and we get disconnected, you'll know exactly what it's from. I hope it's a much sunnier day where you are in your world. Welcome to So-and-so's place and Happy New Year 2023. This is going to be a much better year than last year. Everybody agree with me? I hope so. Hear the roar of the crowd. All right. Well, listen, I hope everybody had a wonderful, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah. Enjoyed all your family and your celebrations. I know that we did. My youngest grandson now says, fire truck. It is the cutest thing. All right. Well, let me show you some of the wonderful things that have been going on here the past couple of weeks besides inventory. We were busy cutting kits this morning, and one of our favorite new kits is this. And listen, if I'm not in frame, I really apologize. But see what's hanging up here behind me? This is our Yellowstone, aka Beth Dayton kit. Joy made this one, and we are just tickled with it. But not everybody wants to do it exactly the same way. And considering it was kind of a scrappy quilt, we have made some kits. So you will find all of these on our website. And these are the few that we have already put together. There are a few more back there, but you will find them in the on the website. The pattern is all done. It is ready to go. Few other things we've got going on. We've got a class for everybody local, and we're just really excited for y'all to take part in this with us. And so that's thing number one. Next week we are starting our Murder a Quilt or Quilt a Murder, whichever comes first. There's a little video about that here on the site. I think it's at the bottom of our home page, and if not, it's on the class listing. Carrie is going to be doing her Easy Peasy Clothesline Heart Baskets, and she's going to be doing a larger structured one as well. And let's see, Nancy's got a couple things up her sleeve, and our beginners quilting is starting up again in 2 weeks. So jump online with those. The beginners quilting is a daytime class. Okay, we got in some gorgeous fabrics right before Christmas break, and I did not show them to y'all because I wanted to wait and share them later, because I know everybody was just so busy with Christmas that new fabrics were probably not on your agenda. It just so happens that I saw them, I ordered them, I bought them, they were gorgeous. So if you caught a glimpse of them online, then good for you. If you didn't, it's okay. I understand. These are from Anna Marie Horner. She is one of my favorite designers. They're from 2 different collections. This is from her Made My Day. And of course, I don't have anybody here directing traffic right now, so I hope y'all can see these. But the colors are just so rich and vibrant, and they're just things that I absolutely adore. Somebody's messaging me, so I'm going to peek because it could be, nope, I thought maybe it was one of y'all telling me I was out of frame. And again, this is from the Made My Day Secret Admirer. Aren't these flowers beautiful? Hydrangeas are one of my favorites, and I just love them. I don't have any in my yard here. I miss all my North Carolina hydrangeas and dogwoods. I used to have 6 dogwood trees in my yard, and 5 of them were pink. Look at the colors. Aren't those beautiful? All right, give me just a second here. I'm gonna put these aside and grab 2 more that are coordinated. All right, now this is from Welcome Home. Look at the size of this flower. Can you see that? Now the green and the magenta in this are right there with this year's color trend that everybody's been talking about. You know, that magenta. And again, that magenta is popping up in this one. This fabric is so soft, y'all. It's one of the things I really like about Free Spirit fabrics is how soft they are. So not only are you getting beautiful colors, you're getting great quality fabrics. I mean, if you're going to put your time into something and your energy, it needs to be good quality. All right, these are also, let's see, this one, let me grab this last one. This last one is also from Welcome Home. And again, those deep, rich colors. My brain is just flying with all the possibilities here. Even if you just did something as simple as a 3-yard quilt. Oh yeah. Yeah, oh gracious goodness. All right, let's see here. These are from Made My Day. Okay, no. This aqua is one of my enduring favorites. But look how it sits with that purple. Hello, purple freak. Wait till you see this next one. Look at that. Look at this color combination. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. I love it. Yeah. Okay. I have a couple more. These two are also from Made My Day. This one pulls in a lot of different colors. And again, so soft. I mean, this is soft enough it could be bed sheets. That's just how fabulous it feels. You know, I think one day my oldest granddaughter could grow up and do this. She was practicing being a television announcer the other day. I think when she comes to visit, I'll put her up here helping me do this. Let her talk about all these colors. Look at this. Oh, that hot pink and that aqua. I love it. So pretty. Y'all got to give me some feedback and tell me what you think of these colors. I can't be the only one that's absolutely in love with this. All right, and here are the last two. You know what this pink right here reminds me of? You ever cut open a kiwi? Or not a kiwi, a starburst. There's this star fruit. It's kind of a tropical fruit. That's what it looks like, the cross section of it. Yeah, and it's so good. That is so pretty. Okay, this one, I kind of think this one's like my favorite of the whole bunch. Look at that. This one is, oh golly, I put a sticker over it. But it's from the Made My Day, and it's cherry. The color's cherry, I'm sorry. It is cherry though. I love it. I gotta make something with this. And y'all know me, I'm gonna make something to wear. Okay, well, that is all of the new fabric. There will be a lot more coming in. Hey, new year, new fabric. And we still have oodles here. So I hope y'all will come see us soon. Shop with us online. Tell us if there's something else that you would like. And we love to hear from you. Oh, I forgot. Our International Mystery Quilt Series is going to be starting towards the end of this month. So keep your eyes peeled for that in our newsletter, on the website. Please stay tuned to our website. That's where you're going to find the latest and most updated information. We love y'all very much. thank you for stopping in today, and we look forward to seeing you soon. I'm going to run around and hit the button.